It's another song that came from my trip to Barcelona, and everywhere that we've played it since I wrote it, we've played it in Australia and Canada, America, Brazil, all across Europe, and everywhere we play it, we invite everybody to join us for one massive party. Now, Newmarket, are you in the mood for one last party? Now, this is a song that's all about being the passenger, and it's a song called Shotgun. Home, home, alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Fine change in the atmosphere, I can teach you how to live. I can get used to this. Fly in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a thousand songs that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a sun.